Knee pain, back pain, shoulder injuries, hip problems, chronic inflammation. For millions of people, pain slowly takes away mobility, energy, confidence, and quality of life. Many people are searching for options beyond surgery, medications, or temporary solutions. They want to stay active, recover naturally, and continue enjoying life. Mesenchymal stem cells, also known as UC-MSCs, are becoming one of the most talked about regenerative medicine approaches for individuals seeking advanced wellness and recovery support. At La Vida, our UC-MSCs are harvested and processed in our own laboratory in Punta Cana and administered fresh, never frozen. Our physician-directed protocols often utilize significantly higher dosing strategies than many traditional clinics. Many clinics may offer lower dosing protocols. At La Vida, our advanced systemic protocols often utilize 350 million cells or more, supporting a more comprehensive regenerative approach. At La Vida, we believe patients deserve access to premium regenerative medicine, advanced UC-MSC dosing strategies, physician-directed care, and exceptional quality, all delivered in a beautiful healing environment at affordable pricing. Why recover in some funky place rather than enjoying your life in Punta Cana, where you can enjoy activities such as golf, water sports, ATV, fishing, diving, snorkeling, or just relaxing on the beach in the Caribbean? If you are exploring regenerative medicine options for pain, recovery, mobility, or wellness support, contact La Vida Stem Cells today and discover the difference. We are online 24/7 at www.lavidastemcells.com.